Hi, Mike. Say, I wanted to share with you something that I worked on last week after reading a very recent case study. What this case study showed that I read was adding internal page links could actually help bump up your Google rankings. Now, historically, we focused on links to third-party websites, but I went ahead and I went through primarily the debt pages here, and I added links to your Chapter 7, Chapter 13, and your home page. And so if you see here, now somebody can click on this. It'll take them to the Chapter 7 page. This will take them to the Chapter 13 page. And then, for instance, further down, this will take people to the home page. So I benchmarked last week where the rankings were prior to making these changes, and then I compared them with today and how we're ranking now. So in terms of impact on rankings, so this is obviously a search for Chapter 7 in Milwaukee. Last week, when I looked at this, we were on the bottom of page 2. This week, we jumped up to the bottom of page 1, so pretty nice jump there. Similarly, for Chapter 13 in Waukesha, last week we were at the bottom of page 1. Since then, we have jumped to the 4th spot as well as the 5th spot. So now you have 2 listings there. And for Chapter 7 in Waukesha, last week you were in the 7th organic spot. Today, hey, we bumped up all the way to the very top spot. And then if we look at another here, this is Chapter 13 in Milwaukee. Last week, we were on the bottom of the 2nd page. Now we are in the 5th spot organically here. So overall, this seems to have had a very big impact. So what I plan on doing now is, now that I went through all the various debt pages and added in internal links there, we'll carry that on to some of these additional pages. Actually, I went through these pages and added links as well. But what I plan on focusing on next are all the blog pages that you have and adding in links internally to all these. And we'll see what kind of impact that has, hopefully in the next couple of weeks. But overall, it seems to be certainly a sign that puts things in the right direction here. So I just wanted to bring you up to speed on that.